Hello, so tonight I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a small business that I believe in. This is a wonderful channel that I love to watch. She's very sweet and very informative about gardening. Her name is Jill and her channel will be linked down below. They are the Whispering Willow Farm. So she's also very environmentally conscious, which is another thing I just love about her and her channel. And so she had all these items on her website, which I will also link below. Okay. So I got several things. This was just the cutest bag. It's a great big size, as you can tell. And it is an eco bag, recycled cotton canvas. And this was the art that I just had to have. It's so beautiful. Isn't that pretty? And this is a perfect bag to take to the farmer's market or on a picnic, to go to the grocery store, all those things. So next, there's some other things I had to have. There are these gorgeous pins, and I got two butterflies, the monarch and the tiger swallowtail. And what's really special about this one is that my husband has a tattoo of that kind of butterfly right in the center of his chest by his heart. So these were extra special to me. I have a jean jacket that I love that I have patches all over that I've collected over many years, and I thought I would put these pins on the shoulder part. So maybe there'll be a video in the future where I show you that jacket. Like a hodgepodge of all the things I love. This is a sticker, and I just thought it was gorgeous. It's so pretty. Fall flowers in a bucket. She had a magnet of that as well. And then the last thing is another sticker that I just thought was so pretty. I wish she made t-shirts of all this art. I would buy every single one of the t-shirts. So I'm doing a few of these this holiday season. I can't encourage you enough to shop small, to shop handmade, to shop regular people who need it so much. And Jill is just one of those wonderful people. She has coffee on there and their signature coffee mug and lots of other things. So please go check it out and check out her channel as well. And I thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Take care, please.